Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea special. To begin, always select premium loose leaf tea, as its quality profoundly impacts the final brew. Fresh, filtered water is also crucial. It allows the tea's true flavors to shine without interference. Consider your mood and choose a tea type that truly resonates with you for a personalized and delightful experience. Achieving the correct water temperature is vital for extracting the best flavors from your tea. Black and herbal teas thrive with boiling water, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. For green teas, aim for a temperature between 175 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent bitterness. Delicate white teas prefer cooler water, typically 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, for a smooth, subtle brew. Steeping time is another critical factor in making your tea special. Black teas typically need 3 to 5 minutes to develop their robust flavor. Green teas, however, are more delicate and should steep for only 1 to 3 minutes to prevent any bitterness. Herbal infusions are quite forgiving and can steep for 5 to 7 minutes or even longer for maximum benefit. To truly make your tea special, consider the presentation and atmosphere. Serve your tea in a beautiful mug or teapot. This simple act can significantly enhance the experience. A slice of fresh lemon, a sprig of fragrant mint, or a touch of honey can add delightful nuances. Finally, create a calm, peaceful environment to fully savor every sip of your perfectly brewed tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.